Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Statesboro local and long-distance movers near me. We help you with any type of long-distance move from 100 miles to 2,500 miles or more. Whether you're just moving to a new state or you're moving all the way across the country, our team is ready to help you. We also offer all of the following moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. While the price of a local move might be difficult to justify, the benefits are often well worth it. You'll get a team of Georgia movers ready to pack up your things and load them for you. Avoiding heavy lifting can help you stay energized and make your move easier. A local moving company will also make your move faster and save you time. With a trustworthy moving company, such as 3 Movers, the moving process is so much easier. Professional movers will pack up your things, load the truck, transport your things, and get you settled into your new home faster. With the right local movers, your actual move will take only a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Statesboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.